buhay natin, meron tayong mga nakikilala. May mga nagbibigay sa atin ng lubos na kaligayahan. Yung parang dumating siya sa buhay natin sa panahong kailangan mo siya. Napunan niya yung kasiyahang hinahanap mo sa buhay at para bang isang anghel mula sa langit na ipinadala para ma-appreciate mo ang buhay, ang pag-ibig, ang magmahal. Pero kailangan din natin tanggapin na walang perpektong kasiyahan. Kasi ang happiness sa relationship, nakabase yan sa dalawang tao. Minsan, nagkakamali ka. Minsan, may pagkakamali rin siya. At minsan, ang sad part, pareho kayong nagkakasakitan at parehong nabi-break ang heart ninyo nang hindi nyo alam.
I already sang a lullaby. I already sang it from his heart. When I found out, thought I would die, because the lullaby was mine. I heard it sealed with a kiss. He gently kissed her cherry lips. I found that so hard to believe, because his kiss belonged to me. How could an angel break my heart? Why didn't he catch my falling star? I wish I didn't wish so hard. Maybe I wish I'm not apart. How could an angel break my heart? I heard her face was white as rain, soft as a rose that blooms in May. He keeps a vision in the rain, and when he sleeps he calls her name. I wonder if she makes him smile the way he used to smile at me. I hope she doesn't make him laugh